Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are doing well and staying in good health. My name is Sidra and I'm your English teacher. Dear students, today we are going to learn something very useful and interesting. Modal verbs of probability. These are special helping verbs we use when we want to talk about how sure or unsure we are about something. We will look at how we use them in the present, future, and even the past. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Well, dear friends, first we should understand what modal verbs of probability are. These are helping verbs that shows us how likely something is to happen or be true. If we are very sure about something, we use the word must. If we are not very sure, we can use may, might, or could. If something is not possible, we use can't. Let me show you some simple examples. He must be tired. I'm very sure she must be tired. He might be busy. Maybe yes or maybe no. That can't be true. I'm sure it's not true. So, dear students, modal verbs help us express certainty, possibility, or impossibility. Let's learn how to use modal verbs when we talk about the present or future. We use a very simple structure, modal verb plus base form of the verb. Base form of the verb means first form of the verb. For example, she must be at school. I'm sure. He might come later. It's possible. That can't be true. Impossible. The bus should arrive soon. We expect it to come. Here's a quick guide. Must for strong certainty. May, might, could use for possibility. Can't for impossibility. Should expect it to happen. Dear students, you can use these modal verbs in your everyday sentences to talk about things happening now or in the future. Using modal verbs to talk about the past. Now let's see how we use modal verbs to talk about the past. Here the structure is a little different. We say modal verb plus have plus past participle. But what is past participle? A past participle is the third form of a verb. It usually comes after the word have. Let me give you some common examples. Go, gone. Eat, eaten. Forget, forgotten. See, seen. Do, done. Now let's look at some full sentences. She must have forgotten her homework. I am sure she forgot. He might have gone home. Maybe he went. You should have done your work. It was the right thing to do, but you didn't. So remember this key formula. Modal verb plus have plus past participle. This is how we talk about things that happened in the past, but we are not 100% sure. Dear students, it's time to practice. I will give you a few incomplete sentences. You have to choose the correct modal verb to complete each one. You can say your answers out loud or write them in the comment box. Let's start. It's dark. She dash be asleep. He isn't here. He dash have gone home. That story dash be true. It's too strange. I dash have studied more for the test. Recap and closing. Dear students, let's quickly review what we have learned. Modal verbs like must, might, may, could, can't, and should help us talk about probability. In the present or future, we use modal plus first form of verb. In the past, we use modal plus have plus past participle. Past participles are the third form of verb like gone, done, see, etc. Keep practicing by making your own sentences using modal verbs. You can write them in your notebook or speak them with your friends and family. That's the end of our lesson today. Thank you for learning with me. Take care and Allah Hafiz.